In this particular video, you will learn some phrasal verbs up meaning, synonyms. Cheer up. To become happier or to make someone else feel happier. Synonyms: brighten, uplift. Example: after a long day, a good laugh with friends always cheers me up. Wake up. To stop sleeping and become conscious. Synonyms: awaken, rouse. Example: I usually wake up early on weekends to enjoy the sunrise. Fill up. To make something full or to become full. Synonyms: top up, replenish. Example: the waiter quickly filled up our glasses with water. Gobble up. To eat something quickly and greedily. Synonyms: devour, scarf down. Example: the kids gobbled up all the cookies within minutes. Cook up. To create or invent something, often a story or an excuse. Synonyms: concoct, fabricate. Example: he cooked up a wild tale to explain his absence from work. Speak up. To talk louder or more clearly. Synonyms: voice, articulate. Example: please speak up so everyone in the room can hear you. Give up. To stop doing something, often because it's challenging or no longer worth pursuing. Synonyms: quit, surrender. Example: despite the difficulties, she refused to give up on her dream. Look off. To search for information or refer to a source. Synonyms: research, consult. Example: if you don't know the meaning of a word, you can look it up in the dictionary. Show up. To arrive or appear at place, especially when expected or needed. Synonyms: arrive, come. Example: don't worry, she's reliable and always shows up on time. Set up. To establish or arrange something. Synonyms: organize, arrange. Example: they set up a charity to help underprivileged children. Phrasal verbs off meaning, synonyms. Call off. To cancel or abandon something that was planned. Synonyms: cancel, scrap. Example: due to bad weather, they had to call off the outdoor event. Set off. To start a journey or to trigger something. Synonyms: begin, initiate. Example: they set off on a road trip across the country. Take off. To remove clothing or to leave quickly. Synonyms: remove, depart. Example: he took off his jacket as it was getting warmer. Pay off. To yield positive results or to settle a debt. Synonyms: be worthwhile, repay. Example: their hard work paid off and they won the championship. Turn off. To stop a machine or a light, or to cause someone to lose interest. Synonyms: switch off, repel. Example: please turn off the lights before leaving the room. Rip off. To overcharge or to steal someone's money or belongings. Synonyms: swindle, cheat. Example: the street vendor tried to rip me off, asking for an exorbitant price. Write off. To deem something as a loss or failure, or to cancel a debt. Synonyms: dismiss, abandon. Example: the company had to write off the damaged inventory as a loss. Show off. To display one's abilities or possessions boastfully. Synonyms: flaunt, parade. Example: she always shows off her new gadgets to impress her friends. Brush off. To dismiss or ignore someone or something casually. Synonyms: disregard, shrug off. Example: he brushed off her comments, pretending they didn't bother him. Back off. To retreat or move away from a confrontation or situation. Synonyms: withdraw, step back. Example: when he saw the angry dog, he quickly backed off. Subscribe us for more videos English class time.